Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my patrons and those who used my referral code to buy their Tesla. As you know, now you can win 2,000 free supercharging miles if you buy your Tesla by October 1st. So it's like less than 2 weeks. So hurry if you planning to buy one. So thank you. I appreciate if you use my code. And I'm sure you probably seen, I've read so many articles about this sleeping driver and his wife driving a Model X on a highway. This is a video taken by a guy named Dakota Rendell on the Massachusetts Turnpike, and it like went viral. I read it on so many news and blogs outlets, and I can tell you, okay, I'm going to show you a few press releases by Tesla. I'm going to put it on the screen now. What's their reaction? I'm going to tell you that what Tesla said, that there are many hoax videos like this going on. I am not discounting that this is a hoax. I'm not saying it's not true. I'm not saying somebody making it up, but I'm telling you that it's very possible. First of all, what you see in this video, I don't think it's possible. I drove my Tesla Model 3 on highways for 20,000 miles on autopilot. This is not possible to happen. Tesla will give you an alert every 30 seconds when you drive on a highway if your hands are not on the wheel. And even if your hands on the wheel and then motionless, after a few minutes they'll ask you to jiggle the wheel just to make sure that you are awake, and then it will increase in the alerts and chimes and noise. I don't know about this. I don't think so. It's not possible to do that. If you are a Tesla owner and you drive autopilot, I am sure that you absolutely know what I'm talking about, and you experience it yourself. It's just not possible that this is actually happening, that he's sleeping all this time and his wife is sleeping all this time and nobody is woken up to see that. Even if you touch the steering wheel, still after a few minutes it's going to ask you to jiggle it a little bit, to make sure that you are awake. So I know it's a very sexy video and it's very oh my god, and Tesla autopilot is flawed. Tesla autopilot alerts are not flawed. This is not possible, just to fall asleep for miles and miles and miles and miles and nothing happens. So I take it with 2 grains of salt. Let me know what you think, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow.